Let's plot a point on the polar coordinate system. We're given the point 4, 5 pi force. Remember that in the polar coordinate system, our ordered pairs are of the form r, theta. So in this case, our radius is 4 and our angle is 5 pi force. And if you're more comfortable, convert that over to degrees. For our purposes, in order to graph this point, it's almost better to start with the angle. We're going to start with our standard position. We're going to go 5 pi force radians over into the third quadrant here. Now what we can do is start from the pole and move out 1, 2, 3, 4 units. So we have our point right here, which is 4, 5 pi force radians. So that is our point plotted. Now if you want to come up with a couple other points, we can change the signs in either r or theta to accommodate this. One way we can do this is consider the angle pi force, which is 180 degrees opposite of 5 pi force, and then simply switch the sign on the r. So it would be of the form -4, pi force. Let's check this out real quick. Again, starting in standard position, we go pi force radians, and then the -4 indicates that we're going to flip this over in that direction, and that point would lie right on top of 4, 5 pi force. Another way we could write this, instead of changing the sign on r, change the sign on theta. And we've got to be a little bit careful here. To go from our standard position here, rotate this around, we're only going to go 3 pi force in the negative direction. And so another way of writing this would be 4, -3 pi force. So there's our point plotted on a polar coordinate system. And here's two other ways of writing that same ordered pair as polar coordinates.